Hey guys, Phoenix here. So, in the last video, we moved them to this big, open, like, hen house, chicken run. I think this one has figured out that there's water and food. Hello there. And that's where the dust bath is. Oh, are they gonna start doing the dust bath? Hopefully. Usually they do it. But they are a lot bigger. If you saw the first video, yeah, they were like maybe. Wait 1 second. I had to zoom out of the camera, so they're maybe like that. If you can. Okay, that was a very bad representation. You know what I mean? They're small. They were like, I mean, now they're about as tall as the container. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, no fighting. Hello there. Whoa, 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 no fighting. What were they doing? Hello there. Where is Botha? Botha. Let's go look for Botha. So Botha is the biggest one that we have. That's, okay, that one is definitely hourglass head. I mean, it was a chick, it had literally an hourglass. Then, we don't know about the black ones. We haven't picked names for the black ones yet, so. Okay, that one is definitely Botha over there. What are you doing? I'm not trying to get out. Alright. Hi, how you doing? Perfect shot. It's picking the phone. Nice. Yeah, so if you see the food over there, it is basically the same color as the sand. And that's what they're eating. They're not supposed to eat the sand, but they do it anyway. Do any of you guys want to pet the phone? You want to peck it? I know you pecked it probably. Yeah, so now, yesterday when we actually finished the entire thing, we moved all the chickens out into this area for like maybe 20 minutes, like 5 or something. I don't know. Very small, very small gap in time. So then, the door is coming at the end of this week. We're gonna cut so they can get out a little hole, and then we have the door. But yeah. Yeah, that one's definitely Botha over there. You can just figure it out by her doing literally just stretching her neck out. Trying to look around. And now that I think they're a bit older, a couple weeks older, they're like pullets. I think they're pullets now. So, so since they're only a couple weeks old, so that one's a lot bigger. Both of them. They do fight a lot more now. If I ever am recording when they are fighting. Oh, would you like to see the camera? Sorry for that unfocus. Hi. Hi, how you doing? Would you like a pet? Hey, would you like a... Wait, 1 second. Okay. Would you like a pet? What are you doing? Do you want to... So maybe in the future, and I know 2 of you did come over from this channel, if in the future we do a collab with 2 Pieces Drew 2, we'll probably do a chicken video because he has wanted to see the chickens because he loves this series. Hello. Okay, so at the end of the video, they're pecking away at the ground and stuff, and yeah. So see you guys in the next one. Probably posting later or something later today. So yeah, hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, and I guess hit the bell if you would like. Hopefully. And come on, pick at the screen for the end of it. Come on. And okay. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.